Good YouTube, what's good YouTube? What's up, bro? Look, we finna address some shit. Really, I'm finna teach y'all some shit after I address this shit. First of all, shut up, bitch. Cause I sell these CPNs for the cheap, for the low. Because why? I don't give no fuck. CPNs is the old wave. Like if you pay attention, CPNs is the old wave. I just made 40,000 off this shit, and I'm moving on to the next level. What the fuck are you dumb? I don't give no fuck. I sold the book for like $30. The dude already knew some information I told him. I just said, man, just give me that. Matter of fact, huh? You got a free CPN book. I don't give no fuck about this shit, bro. I know how to make trade line, AU trade lines, primaries. Come on, bro. Installment loans. You don't know how to. Y'all don't know how to do that, but y'all don't know how to register y'all CPN with the IRS. Y'all don't know how to. No, like I know. I know way too much, bro. But I don't give y'all that sauce. I just give y'all how to make the CPN. You know, big difference. Dummy, dummy. Fuck you talking about? And I'm selling it for cheap because I don't need it. Why I'm taxing y'all for something so simple? That you already gotta invest your money into buying trade lines. Trade lines, shit, that motherfucker like a light bill. That bitch high. And rent bill, shit. So why would I charge you your rent bill for that? Come on, bro. I help my motherfucking people, bro. Black people gotta stand up, man. Now if you white, I'ma tax the fuck out you. I ain't racist. I'm just playing, yeah. I ain't gonna tax y'all. But yeah, though, man. So look, on that. Hold on, bro. I don't know. Y'all think I'm acting like I do this shit. 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 But yeah, I don't be capping, man. I don't cap. I don't cap. And look. Hold on. This just, you know what I'm saying? This just in the bag. I don't be capping for real. Like, like you know, like. All hundred, like I don't be capping for real, all hundred. That's just in the bag, like I just be chilling. So shut y'all broke ass up, man. I'm trying to show y'all this shit. I always shoot in the basement. I never shoot in my room. I'm finna low-key give me a YouTube room. Look though. This is how you make your CPN strong, and how you make your CPN stick. What you wanna do is right after you. First of all, we're gonna go step by step. So you gonna merge it. You gonna merge your CPN. You ain't gonna merge everything at once in one day. You're gonna do 3 applications, right? Then the next day, you're gonna do 3 more. Then the next day, oh well, that's 3 days. It should be ready. No, bitch. Register your CPN with public records. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they say you can do it all at once. Hell no, take your time. If you in a rush, then yeah, you gonna fuck up your CPN. You ain't gonna get approved for shit. I don't get no fuck. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so register your do that. Register with public records. After you do that, then you wait another week and you sign up for Credit Karma. Now after you do that, damn well, I feel like my CPN still ain't registered with the public records. All right, go to the post office, right? Tell them you want to change up address. They're gonna give you a slip. Don't put previous address. Put current address. You're gonna put your CPN address. I'll suggest y'all as to use an address of a family member that don't got the same last name as you. So when you start getting mail in that address, you know your shit in public records. That's another reason. That's another thing. Second, register with the IRS. Third, register. Get like an EIN under your CPN. If you need help, register your CPN with the you know what I'm saying, with an EIN number. Hit me up. I got y'all. After that, get primaries. Primaries also help you register your CPN with the IRS and public records. Well, not the IRS, public records. I'm so sorry. After that, and what to get primaries from? My number is down below in the description. AU trade lines. Just get like 2 of them. Put 2 of them on your credit score. All them primaries. Installment loans, them important for sure. Y'all know what else? Get like a phone in y'all name. Pay the phone off. Don't. First of all, the phone gonna be like $300, $500 really. Get the phone. You know what I'm saying? Use that phone. Pay it off. Once you pay it off, oh yeah, you really in public records. Let your CPN build. Go to Capital One. You know Capital One. You need a driver's license or your social. Get a fake social. get a driver's license. I got the IDs that's scannable. Well, I know somebody that got the IDs that's scannable, so hit me up. After you do that, they're gonna give you a free sauce too. Free sauce. I don't give no fuck about this shit. After that, you're gonna get the Capital One credit card for $500, right? Now guess what that is to y'all? You just got a Capital One credit card for $500. You got a $500 credit line. Guess what y'all just did? Y'all just made a future AU what? A future, say it with me. Future AU Tradeline, man. Stop playing. Now what you finna do, you finna just build that up. You probably finna use that card probably like twice a month. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 3 times a month. After you do that, once they keep on raising your credit line, you know you can add authorized users onto that CPN. And that's a CPN, so why give a fuck if they fuck it up? You know what I'm saying? Just know when they don't pay that bill, they fucking up their credit. They ain't fucking up your credit. Well, they is, but they ain't. But it's gonna hit their ass more. Now you can sell AU trade lines. What bank? Capital One. How long it been open? It's fresh. Matter of fact, by the time you get a high ass credit line, it's gonna be probably 18,000. You know what I'm saying? You can add like 6 people though. You can charge people $800, $600, $500 per authorized user. I gotta put two together, you know. Free sauce though. I ain't never gonna mislead y'all, not. But yeah, that's how you make AU trade lines. AU trade lines ain't hard. Like, this shit not illegal. This shit legal as hell. Like, y'all gotta, man, bro, y'all be disappointed, man. Just how CPNs ain't illegal. They only illegal if you don't pay that money. Hell yeah. That's how you make your CPN strong, and that's how you create your own business with an AU. That's free sauce though. Free sauce. And I want to thank y'all so much for giving me 800 subscribers, man. This is a big, I'm finna show y'all. This is how I know y'all follow me for real. Like, hey, I appreciate y'all so much. I'm so sorry for making this video long. It's just, I had to correct some shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna show y'all, like, I'm proud of y'all. Y'all been showing me love. When I started YouTube, like, really took it serious like 2 months ago, I had, let me see. I had 300 subscribers. Look what the fuck y'all did to me. Come on, man. I'm proud of y'all. Hey, y'all getting me out the way. I'm almost up to 1,000. Appreciate y'all so much. I promise y'all. I got a big surprise for y'all as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. I got a big surprise, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get it, man. Ben Man Rio. Make sure you check out my previous video too. Let's go.